Did you connect third-party apps to your Line account and want to review or remove them? In this video, I will show you how to manage external app access online step by step, so you can control which apps have permission to access your account. So, to know how to do this, just follow me. The first thing you have to do is to go to Line app, as you see, and you click here. Then here in this first page of Line app, you will find this sign of settings, so you will tap on settings on above. After that, here in this window, you will find privacy, so you will tap on privacy in that way. Then here you will scrolling down until you find this page of external app access, so you will click on external app access. And here, as you see, you will find this. As they said to you here, this setting controls access to your profile information when requested by external apps. These access requests are made by people who have added you as a friend online. So to disable this, for example, if it's on always allowed or only for mutual Line friends, you have to tap or click on never allowed in that way. So here you can know how to never allow the external apps on the application of Line, as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.